Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create this very beautiful 3D origami heart frame with the quilling decoration. Isn't it very pretty? And I have also created the stand to decorate your desk. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, half cut pearls, quilling tool, glue, scissor, pattern paper, pink and off-white color craft paper. This is having 100 GSM thickness and cardboard. First I am taking this A4 size pink color craft paper. I have just divided this in half. Now again I am dividing this whole sheet until we get total 16 equal parts. So now we have 16 equal parts from one A4 paper. This one size measures approx 7 by 5 centimeters. Okay. So now I will show you how to create one origami piece or one origami triangle. So we have 2 pockets inside this triangle. In the same way we need 32 pink pieces and 32 peach color pieces. Now I have already created one-sided heart of the frame, so I will show you how to create other side. So I'm just taking one off-white and one pink color piece and connecting these pieces alternatively. For the left side of the heart, I have used 16 off-white and 16 pink. In the same way, I will use for the right side heart 16 off-white and 16 pink color pieces. I am just bending these pieces little bit each time so that it will automatically get a curved shape. So this is done. So it will form a heart shape like this. Now I will connect the heart from top and from the bottom. To connect from the bottom, I am taking one more origami piece and connecting between both off-white pieces like this. So heart shape is ready. Now I am just tracing this heart on the cardboard to create the back support of the frame like this. Now just cut this heart shape. This is done. Now I am taking one pink color paper little larger than this heart and just wrapping the pink paper around this. So this is done. Now I'm taking one more heart of the same size and I will connect this paper heart on top of this. So back base is ready. Now I'm taking one piece of mount board or cardboard which measures 10 by 5 centimeters, and I'm taking one pink color paper which measures 17 by 8 centimeters, and I have creased this from left side on 7, 10.5 and 14 centimeters. Now I'm just folding all the creases first. Here I am creating the stand of the frame. Now I am folding these creases in zigzag manner like this. So it should look like a M. Now I will connect the cardboard piece with this largest flap. So just add glue and connect on top of this. Now I am cutting from both the side and connecting the pink paper with the cardboard. Now I am taking one more pink paper which measures 15 by 5 centimeters, and I am connecting this pink paper on top of the cardboard. Now just cutting this excess paper. So the base stand is ready. It should look like this before connecting. Now first I am connecting the lower part. Just align it to the center bottom. And now I am connecting from the top. So the stand is ready. Now I am taking this pattern paper heart and connecting inside the frame. And now I am connecting the origami heart on top of this. So I am just leaving little gap from the top so that we can insert photograph from the top portion easily. So it's ready. Now to decorate this I am making some quilling flowers. For the biggest petal I am taking one strip of red and 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. So we need total 10 teardrops. For the medium teardrop I am taking half strip of red and 1/4 strip of white. So we need total 10 medium teardrops, and for the smallest one I am taking 1/4 strip of red and 1/4 strip of white. So we need total 8 smallest teardrops. Now I am taking this paper circle which is having 3 cm diameter, and I am cutting one slit till the center point, and now I am cutting one more circle inside this. Now just add little glue and make a cone like shape. Now first I am adding medium sized petals inside the cone. like this. Now add glue from outer side and connect the largest size petals. So this is done. Now take smallest petals and first create one flower. Add glue inside this big flower and connect the smallest flower on top of this. So we have 3 layered quilling flower. In the center I am adding half cut pearl. So this is done. Now I am making Malaysian flower. For this I am taking 1 strip of pink color and 1/4 strip of off-white color and making one Malaysian flower petal. In the same way we need 6 petals. Now join all petals and connect half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Now I am making leaves. For this I am taking 1 strip of off-white and 1/4 strip of red color and making one tight leaf shape. Now join all 3 petals and construct the leaf. In the same way, I have created this pink one using 1 strip of pink and 1/4 strip of off-white color. Also, I have created some scrolls using red and off-white strips. If you want to learn scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can check there. Now all the shapes are ready. Now I will assemble flowers and scrolls on left side of the frame. Now I am taking some half cut pearls and just decorating the right side edge of the heart using these pearls. And now I am adding one punched heart in the center of the frame. Now you can insert one heart shaped photograph from top of the frame like this. Just slide it slowly it will fixed inside the frame, and you can remove it slowly from top. So the beautiful frame is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.